In this guide, we're going over how you can power up Rock Smash here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first things first, go ahead and make your way over to a frying pan, and once you're at the frying pan, start cooking. Now the ingredients that you're going to need is going to be beans, and then you just need to add 3 more ingredients. It doesn't really matter what ingredients you add. The only necessary ingredient is those beans. So add anything like tomato, berries, doesn't necessarily matter. Just make sure beans is in there first, and then you can start cooking, finish the recipe, and then of course once it's done, Rock Smash will immediately be powered up. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.